If you have used any type of photo editing software, you may be familiar with layers. As you can see here, the layers are a visual representation on how things are layered, whether they're layered on top, bottom, middle, and so on. So if we were to take a look at the layer panel here, we can definitely visualize that the sun layer is below the fire shape. So we can actually test this out by dragging the sun over by the fire, and we can see that the fire is above the sun. Right? Now, how would you change the layering? Well, if you left-click and hold the sun and drag it above, you'll notice that we have a black line. That black line represents where that layer would be dropped if you were to let go of your mouse. So I'm going to go ahead and let it go here. And you can see that it is now above the fire. So that is how you can adjust layering. Let's sort of talk about the icons that we see on here. Notice that the sun and the fire, they don't have any special character on there like the T that you see here for summer. Well, the T represents it is still a text element, and it can be altered by clicking the text tool and clicking on the word summer. And it's going to allow you to edit it. Layers also have the ability to be grouped. So say, for example, that this sun and the word summer need to be grouped together. Well, we can select both of those and we can group them. We can right-click and group, and you'll see that they're placed into a folder. Inside the folder, the sun and the summer can be moved as far as their layering as well. The eye that you see here, this allows you to show and hide elements that are on that layer. So if I wanted to hide the fire, I would click the eye. Anything with the eye not shown will not cut. To prove this, we can go to the preview window, and we'll notice that the fire is nowhere to be seen. So this is a way for you to turn on and off shapes that you do not want to cut. The next thing that you'll see here is the lock. So if we select it, you'll notice that the little lock appears. That means we are not able to select the shape or the layer because it is locked. I am able to select the umbrella as well as the fire. To unlock it, we can just click the icon where you see it there. If you would like to delete an item, you can either select the shape and hit delete, or you can select the layer and hit the trash can. That will delete the item. You're also able to rename items here in the layer menu. You can double click the property and you can add new text. Click the OK button and you'll notice that the layer name has changed. When you're looking at the colors here, you can change it to whatever color you want, but notice that it does not change anything when it comes to your fill colors that you have on your mat. So that is the layer menu inside of CreateSpace.